30-day motivated seller challenge. This is day 18. This is my second deal sold. I just met with the buyer. He just gave me $375 for it. He's actually to the left. He didn't want me to videotape him, which kind of makes sense. But I just wanted to do a quick update. I sold the bike for $375 and I bought it for $125. It took about 8-9 days. I don't know exactly, but it didn't take that long to sell it, guys. Okay, and that I made over 300% ROI on that. 375, more than 375. I mean, more than 300%. So for 375, got it for 125. The buyer came from OfferUp, and I bought it from, I believe, Facebook. So that's it, guys. Pretty easy. I'm waiting probably another 5-10 minutes. Another buyer is coming to pick up this bike. I'm just waiting for it, and then once I flip that one, that's it. I'm going to do another update for you guys. If you have any questions, comment, leave it below. If you're wanting to join the 30-day Flip-It Challenge, the Flip-A-thon Challenge, there's a link below. When you get my course, I'll answer all your questions. Plus, you get free coaching in our Facebook group where you can see other people doing deals, and I will be there to answer all your questions. Plus, I'll look over your first deal because I want you to hit a home run versus a dud. Okay, because I want you to be a stud versus a dud. Anyways, guys, peace.